Now we will consider on parenchyma simple permanent tissue. These parenchyma cells are even can be called as modified parenchyma cells. Now we will look at what are the differences in general features of parenchyma simple permanent tissue of that of parenchyma simple permanent tissue. Here also the cells are living cells. Here all the typical cell organelles such as nucleus and a large central vacuole are present in the cytoplasm. Earlier in the parenchyma cells we say the cells are more circular shape or isodiametric, but when we consider here the cells are more elongated cells with nucleus central vacuole on the cytoplasm. Here in parenchyma cells we say the cell wall is uniformly thickened and it's less layer of thickness. Here the thickness in the corners are very much greater. When in the cross section it looks like a polygonal shape. So you can say the cells are elongated shape. In a cross section it is look like a polygonal shape. Also here the intercellular spaces are may present or may not present, but the intercellular space are not prominent as in parenchyma cells. Also it can be mentioned that these corners are thickened with extra deposition of cellulose. Now we will look at what are the functions of these parenchyma simple permanent tissue. One of the basic function of this tissue is to provide support to the small plants. When I say small plants, if you take a dipole plant, you know it's a mango tree or a jack tree, it's quite large tree or quite big tree. Here at the early stage, consider a jack tree or a mango tree just rising from its seeds. It looks very small and wood has not formed at that situation. Until the wood has formed, the parenchyma simple permanent tissue provide support and strength to the above dicotyledonous plants. Even also provide support to some small plants. Another important feature of this simple parenchyma simple permanent tissue is to do photosynthesis. In same plants where I mentioned like the small jack or the mango trees, which is immediately after rising from its seeds, we can see the plant is almost greenish in color. Even its stem are in greenish in color. Now, in addition to the leaf, even its stem can also involve in photosynthesis. The stem mainly consists of parenchyma simple permanent tissue, and this tissue involved in photosynthesis. Now we will consider on the third type of simple permanent tissue, that is sclerenchyma simple permanent tissue. When we consider this sclerenchyma simple permanent tissue, it has two types of cells. One is called as sclerites and the other one is called as sclerenchyma fibers. These cells are called as fibers because these cells are so elongated and looks like a fibers. Therefore, these kind of cells are called as sclerenchyma fibers. But when you consider sclerite cell, they do not have a specific shape. So from tissue to tissue, even though sclerites are present, its shape may be different from one plant to another plant or one organ to another organ. Other than these two difference in physical features, most of the functions of these two cells look similar. So we will look at some general features which are common to sclerites as well as sclerenchyma fibers. Here in both the cells, we know the plant cell, it contains a cell membrane. In addition to that, it has a cell wall. But we call in parenchyma and collenchyma, they are only primary cell wall. Here in sclerenchyma tissue, a secondary cell wall is formed. This secondary cell wall is made of lignin. This lignin substance is impermeable to water. Due to impermeability to water of this lignin substance, the sclerenchyma cells become unable to absorb water for their survival, and these cells become dead cells. Therefore, we can say the cells in the sclerenchyma tissues are dead cells, and we can say lignin has evenly deposited on the cells of sclerenchyma, and lignin forms a uniform cell wall thickness. And here, since as I said the cells are dead cells, we won't be able to see the regular or typical cell organelles such as nucleus, vacuole and other organelles. But here we can see a lumen. For this lumen, the lumen is filled with the waste material of these cells. So we don't call this as a vacuole, but we call it as a lumen. Then we look at some examples where these kind of sclerites and sclerenchyma fiber cells are available, or tissues formed by these two cells available. Sclerenchyma fibers. If we take, mainly these fibers are present in xylem and phloem, which we consider as a complex permanent tissue. So xylem and phloem both contain fibers. The fibers, sclerenchyma fibers present in xylem is called as xylem fibers, and sclerenchyma fibers present in phloem is called as phloem fibers. Also, this can be seen in coconut husk. It's a very good example of fiber. That fiber also made from these sclerenchyma fiber cells. Then we look at some example for sclerite cells present. These sclerite cells are present in coffee seeds and date seeds and so many other instances. The main function of their sclerenchyma tissue is mainly found in xylem and provide turgidity and support to the dicotyledonous plants. Okay, now we have finished discussing mesosomatic tissues, which we say new cells producing cells which helps the growth of the plant. Then we start discussing the simple permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissues are mainly only one type of specialized cells. Now we have the third type of tissue, the complex permanent tissue. So when we say complex permanent tissue, it is a tissue formed by collection of more than one type of cells. So we discussed two examples, one is xylem and one is phloem. When we take a cross section of a plant stem, these xylem and phloem are present in vascular bundle. These vascular bundles are present in a radial way in a stem. The phloem and xylem present together, we call it as vascular bundles. These vascular bundles are arranged in a radial way. The phloem is always present facing the outside, and xylem is always present facing toward the inside of the plant. Now we will concentrate on xylem complex permanent tissue. This xylem complex permanent tissue mainly contains four types of cells. One we call it as vessel elements, we call it as tracheids, another one called as xylem fibers. The xylem fibers are the sclerenchyma fibers. In xylem we call it as xylem fibers. And the fourth type is the xylem parenchyma cells. We will look at about these cells in detail. The vessel elements are the main type of cells present in xylem which is involved in conduction of water. These xylem vessel elements are cylindrical shaped cells. These are stacked one top on another, forming a long continuous chain. Then later, after they forming a continuous chain, their crossbars get dissolved and forms a continuous tube-like structure which enables the easy movement of water and minerals through the xylem vessel. And when we look at the tracheids are also elongated, spiral-shaped structure which also involve in conduction of water. Then xylem fibers are shorter than tracheids. Also, it has an elongated long structure with a tapering ends. It also involves in conduction of water. The xylem, vessel elements, xylem fibers and tracheids, all these three are composed of dead cells, and they are mainly involved in conduction of water and minerals through plants. And the fourth type of cells is the xylem parenchyma. This is the only living cells that is present in the xylem permanent tissue. The main function of the xylem complex permanent tissue is the conduction of water and minerals through the plant. And the second major function of the xylem is to provide mechanical strength to the plant, because the xylem contains more dead cells which contains so much of liquid, which provides so much of strength to the plant. So xylem also importantly involved in providing strength to the plant. Now we will concentrate on complex permanent tissue type 2, that's phloem. This phloem contains four types of different cells. We call it as sieve tube elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Now here the sieve tube elements are the more important type of conducting units in phloem tissue. These sieve tube elements are cylindrical cells which is stacked on one top on another, forming a continuous tube. Here the walls are dissolved but not dissolved completely, they are dissolved partially. So when you consider one of the plate, it appears as follows. This is the cross walls with partial dissolved structure. We call this connection where the cross walls of two sieve tube elements join. We call this structure as sieve plate, and the partial dissolved structure which looks like the holes in the sieve plate, we call these holes as sieve pore. And if we consider for the easy translocation of the food and other nutrition across this tube, most of its cell is confined to a margin and most of its middle part looks empty, which enables the conduction of substances through the phloem tissue. So since the organelles are constricted or the cytoplasm is constricted to margin, it do not contain all necessary organelles. But this is a living tissue which lacks nucleus. So, always to control the activities of these sieve tube elements, whenever a sieve tube cell present, in addition to that, a companion cell will present along with that. This companion cell will contain a dense cytoplasm with a distinct nucleus and a vacuole. The nucleus of the companion cell will also control the activities of the sieve tube elements. In addition to that, the phloem parenchyma cells are present in the sieve phloem, which involve in storage of food, and phloem fibers are present, which involve in providing support to the phloem cells. Here, the sieve tube elements, companion cells, and phloem parenchyma are living cells, and the phloem fibers is non-living cells. Since most of its cells are living cells, we consider the phloem to be a living structure, a living tissue, whereas in xylem there were more tissues which were dead cells and only xylem parenchyma was the living tissue available. So we consider xylem to be a dead tissue. And xylem in phloem is mainly involved in transportation of the food synthesized in leaves to its storage site, and during unfavorable site, it transports the food from the storage site to the necessary site. Considering phloem and xylem together, it forms vascular bundle. This vascular bundle acts as a highway within plants, involved in transporting substances up and down through the plant. Hope this video might help you to make your knowledge clear on plant tissues. I hope to meet you on the next video on the discussion about the animal tissues.